open it and put it together, and then we'll take it for a ride. Are you guys ready to drive with me? Yes, we are. I'm excited.
Alright, we got a pretty big car. It's a Dodge Charger. And we're gonna open it right now. It's supposed to have a remote. Looks pretty big and pretty special. Pavel, are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Wally, are you excited?
Of course, Mira is excited.
Alright.
We're so excited.
Today is a very special day because we are unboxing and testing this incredible licensed 1970 Dodge Charger ride-on car. Kids have been counting down the days and they could hardly wait to see what is inside the box. So it has quite a few big and small details. It is just packed with everything. So this is what is inside the box and we will be putting it together right now. Look at this 1970 license plate. Wow, it looks pretty incredible. And the Charger RT details. Wow, we are super excited to test drive it. And it has a steamer too. Looks really incredible and it is excellent to put it together with your kids. So there you go, you have some quality time spent with your kids. Bumper, it is the first part we're gonna put on. You will have to put some screws down there, so you need a screwdriver. Make sure it is handy, screws go right there. Very easy to put on. The matter of fact, Pavel was the one putting the screws in. And this is the steamer part. You just screw it to the bottom, very easy. And the top part will be attached. This controls your wheels, so make sure you attach it correctly. The car comes with a manual instructions, so everything is right there. Very simple, very easy. Alright, Pavel got it all assembled. Make sure you put 3 screws right there. Very easy, and this controls your wheels, so make sure that it is attached very sturdy. Now we are gonna put down the wheels, and Pavel is super excited to put this all together. All right, look at this metal covering. It looks pretty gorgeous. We love the wheels. They really stand out and they are pretty big. We're gonna test it off-road and see how well they will do off-road. All right, we put the wheels on and this little fella cannot wait to test drive it already. Now let's flip it so we can see and put the seats on. Now we are gonna put the wheel right there. You will have to connect it so you will have sounds and attach it very easy. It just clicks right on. Those are the side mirrors. Looks really realistic. Now we can say this car is packed with all kind of details and the design really stands out. Wow, those looks really realistic. Now we're gonna finish up the steamer so we could test it out. By the way, steamer is our kid's favorite part. Now let's assemble it, and Pavel does pretty good job on helping me to assemble it, so you can assemble it together with your kid. Adult assistance is required, but kids can help and they love assembling their own right. Now let's put the seats in. One and both seats are in and kids can drive together. I love that this car has 5-point harness, which is very safe for kiddos. Now look at all those details. The steamer, the Charger details, the license plate, lights, everything looks gorgeous. It really looks like a real Dodge Charger. Amazing. The steamer is our favorite part. It makes the car very realistic. especially if you are driving late at night. Now the door has a child-proof lock, which again makes it very safe for children. It is hard for them to get out or fall out of it. 5-point harness, great for smaller kids so they could be buckled. And it even comes with a parent remote so you can control it. This is the charger. Look how cute is that. Looks really realistic. And it is covered so no dust will get in. Charger details right there. And also in a bag. It even has license plate in a bag. 1970. Really realistic. Sounds and steamer on the wheel. Dashboard looks really realistic. It comes with the music, or you can also plug in your own USB and put your own music so the kids can drive with a jam. Well, everything is ready to test it out, and Pavel is getting in the car. First thing is buckling up. Great, safe driver. Alright, we're all buckled. Let's close the door. And little sister can get in since it is a 2-seater car. Very, very gorgeous and so realistic. Alright, let's take it for a ride. I can tell you love it. Tons of fun and smiles. It can drive forward, it can drive backwards, and kiddos are having so much fun driving it in the backyard. Look at those lights and the steamer, our favorite part. It puts steam out as we put their water, and it makes really realistic sounds. This car is just perfect for future little drivers. They can learn how to drive from the very young age. Now, our other favorite part is that it perfectly fits inside our SUV. We just folded one seat and it is just right there without much trouble, making it very easy to bring along for adventures outside the neighborhood. You can easily take it along for a park, and you can even ride it with a remote control. So right now we control it with a remote, which makes it very safe for kiddos. You can stop it anytime you want if it's driving too fast. So this is a remote. You can control the speed. You can turn the wheel to the left and to the right. Also, from the remote, you can drive forwards, you can drive backwards, or you can stop it. It has emergency brake function if you think that it is not safe for kiddos to drive. Very perfect car, and it handles paved path so well. Well, kids cannot wait to get behind the wheel here at our local park, and they want to test drive it. Look at those giant rims. It looks really realistic. Well, now we are off for adventures! Kiddos are absolutely having a blast with it, and Vera right now is putting the water in to show you how the steamer works. It is definitely kiddos' favorite detail. It is very unique and makes this ride-on stand out from many other cars we've seen before. We are pretty impressed so far, and two-seater is definitely a huge bonus because kids can enjoy the ride together instead of waiting for turns. Absolutely perfect for fun summer adventures. So if you are looking for a ride-on that offers something a little different, this one is definitely worth checking out. Definitely a perfect ride for kiddos ages 3 years and up. Well, it can handle paved roads so well. Let's see if it can do well off-road. And it surely does perfect job. Those wheels can handle even tough roads. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed our little adventure. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's adventure, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments. Would you pick this classic Dodge Charger, or do they have another dream ride-on? We'll see you in the next adventure. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye, guys. Safe summer adventures!